FiveM not opening or launching. Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you a 100% working solution to fix FiveM not starting on your PC in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. Press Windows + R on your keyboard. In the Run box, type %appdata% and press OK. A folder will open. Click on App Data at the top. Now open the local folder. Find and open the folder named FiveM. Inside the FiveM folder, click on FiveM Application Data. Locate the file citizenfx.ini, right-click on it, and select Edit. A notepad file will open. Look for the line that says, Update Channel = Canary. Delete this line, then save and close the file. Next, go to your desktop. Right-click on Rockstar Games Launcher and select Properties. Go to the Previous Versions tab. If any checkboxes are enabled, uncheck them and click OK. If you see no options, that's fine. Finally, restart your PC. After following these steps, your FiveM should now launch without any issues. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.